Hello student, good morning. I'm Purnima and I'm here in front of you to teach you the lesson The Comet Part 1. Okay, and yesterday children I've given you something about the background of the lesson. I have told you about the children, the writer. Okay, Jayant Narlikar, he is one of the famous scientists of our country, and we can view him often in the TV giving lot of interviews, children, and so many programs. Not nowadays I cannot see him, but earlier he was a very prominent and common face in the television. So he has written a nice story. He is telling children, he means to say that scientists and religious leaders react to the situation in two different ways. Okay, there are two groups of people. One are the followers of science, and the other are the followers of religion, and they think children their views are quite different. So he is sharing that view, and also children he has written one story about Dattada. Okay, he was a scientist. Though he was not a scientist and he was not an astronomer, but then it was his wish to find out a comet, and that comet should not be find by nobody should find out that comet by now. That means children, he was a person, he wanted to find out that comet by himself. He did not want that anybody else should find that comet. Okay, and it was his wish, children, when he was in the service. He wanted to buy a telescope, a good telescope, and he wanted to, children, spend a lot of time in seeing the stars, and especially the shooting star, that is comet. Well, children, both the wish were fulfilled. He got retired. Okay, this I am revising you from the previous video, and then only I can start my lesson. So, children, finally he was retired, and after getting the retirement, both of his wish was fulfilled. Okay, both of his wish. What were his two wishes? That once he should, children, what he should do, he should find a astronomy. He should find a comet or shooting star which nobody else has find it out. That means he wanted to be the first person to see that shooting star. And second, children, he wanted to buy the telescope, and that he wanted to spend a lot of time in the astronomy. Okay, so he got them both. And this thing, after his retirement, he bought an 8 inches telescope, though it was not very costly, but then children, it was all right for him. Okay, and children, it was his secret ambition is had fulfilled of getting the telescope, and he knew that comets come from the solar system like other planets. They too go around the sun, but their movement is unusual. They could disappear for ages. So now, children, now his job, he was waiting for a comet. Okay, and let's see what happened. Now, children, his wife, whose name was Indrani Devi, okay, she cursed the telescope. She told that telescope is a she kept the name of the telescope Divya or Divya Chakshu. Now let me tell you what is the meaning of Chakshu. Chakshu here means eyes. Divya here means divine. So she kept the name Divine Eye. And then whose name was kept Divine Eye? It was the telescope. And she felt that, children, that telescope is behaving like a lady. Okay, because now maximum time Dattaji is passing with that telescope. So she is telling me that it is like a under lady to me, where her husband mostly all the time he is spending with the telescope, and even he is not taking care of himself also. So, children, she is telling that this telescope is like a under lady to me. And she thought that lady had trapped her husband and it had made him careless about his own well-being and the practical problem of living. Now, children, she started thinking that this lady, that means this this 8 inches telescope is not taking care of her husband. Okay, instead of taking care, her husband is having a lot of time. He is still wasting with that telescope. This is the idea of children. This is the idea of whom? This is the idea of this lady, his wife, Indrani Devi. Now she also think that the moment he is spending his time in the telescope, he is not taking care of himself. He is children. What he is doing, he is suffering from cold and all the cough, but he is not taking care of himself. Then what happened? One night Dattaji noticed a new comet. 2 days later the news appeared in the paper. Now children, his wish was fulfilled. All his 3 wishes. First was to buy the telescope. He has bought it. Now since he is retired, he is spending a lot of time in the astronomy. And now children, one day when he was standing and he was seeing at the star, what did he found? He found that so children, he found that a new shooting star has come. Okay, and he was very happy. And after 2 days, children, the news of the shooting star, which was discovered by Dattada, was spread everywhere to the newspaper. So one night when he noticed a new comet, 2 days later the news appeared in the paper that a Kolkata man, Manoj Datta, had seen a comet, and it was reported at Indian Institute of Astrophysics also. Children, even children in India, it was the Indian Institute of Astrophysics. This was told to them also. And children, this comet was heading towards the most difficult children, the most dangerous situation was that this comet was heading means coming towards our planet only. He can collide and everybody must have died by that time. So children, there were a lot of everybody was very much worried, and it would be seen with naked eyes in the next few months. It was named Comet Datta. He became famous, a celebrity. Now he even told that comet you can see after some time you can see the comet also. And children, it was that the name of the comet was kept Comet Datta. And children, he became very famous. Mr. Datta, he became very famous, and what he started doing, he started children, he did what? He started children, he became celebrity, and it was his good luck, but for him he was not happy, very happy, because he don't want to become popular. All this thing did not fascinated to him. Instead, he was feeling very uncomfortable. So there were felicitations for Dattada, but he did not like function organized in his honor. So lot of functions were kept on his honor, and the best thing he liked that the comet was named Comet Datta. This was more than enough for him. Okay, and he did not want that his name should be like that. Simply he had discovered that thing. It was not very serious, but finally he discovered it. So he is telling he should not be highlighted. He did not like all that popularity very much. He was simply a simple human being. So children, they were felicitations for Dattada, but he did not like function organized in his honor. So he did not like the function which was organized in his honor. Okay, he wished he had not discovered the new comet. His wife agreed, but for a different reason. She was highly educated, still superstitious. She feared that comet brought ill luck and calamities in the earth. So children, now he is wishing that why he had ever discovered that new planet, and at the meantime children, his wife agreed, but for a different reason. She was highly educated, still superstitious. Now children, the lady with whom he got married, she was a highly superstitious lady, though she was educated, but then she was living a lot of superstition. She feared that comet brought ill luck and calamities on the earth. Now children, she predicted this thing, and she often keeps on, everybody used to keeps on hearing her that it is the comet who got what? Who brings bad luck to the earth people. So children, what happened? Now children, something very nice has taken place in the Cambridge University also. Cambridge University is in United Kingdom, London. Dr. James Forsyth got a message to see John Macpherson, Defence Science Advisor to the British government. Sir John handed him an article which James had written and sent for publication to Nature. It was very important because James had forewarned that comet Datta would hit the earth and destroy it. So children, a theory was published in the newspaper, and what was in the theory, children, in the theory it was written that comet would hit the earth, and children, this was a theory which was written by Dr. James Forsyth. Now children, the collision could be avoided if it got broken into pieces while coming near the sun, or it might collide with some other comet. So children, there were two reasons. If the comet will hit the earth, the whole earth will be, if not destroyed, but many people will be killed. So children, they were thinking of two reasons how to stop that tragedy which might be happen on earth. So they were all very much worried. Now children, a theory was there in which they told other children they have the collision could be avoided if it got broken into pieces while coming near the sun, or it might collide with some other comet. So it's telling that if that comet would be destroyed, okay, before going towards the sun, then this incident might be stopped. And also it got broken into pieces while coming near or it might collide with some other comet. The tragedy could occur in just 10 minutes. So children, they were very much worried, and the two proper philosophical scientific facts were also discovered, children, that if that Datta comet will come and it will hit the earth, then what they will do. It was decided to call an urgent meeting of experts to find out ways to save the earth. They had to do something to push the deadly comet out of the way. Now children, it was Mr. Datta, he saw that comet, but now children, that comet was it proved to be a dangerous comet, so everybody was thinking that comet should be stopped. It should not be reaching the earth before afterwards, otherwise some might tragedy can happen. Okay, so children, this was the summary. Okay, yesterday I have discussed with you the background, and today I am discussing with you the summary, and now I am going to start the lesson explanation word by word. Okay, so first of all children, it is written here the comet part 1. It is the heading, and children, you can write the meaning of comet: a heavenly light that leaves behind a trail of light as it moves. Okay, so children, if you have seen shooting star, what you must have seen in that star, a tail like thing is there which is very bright, and which is very bright, and people think it is burning. Okay, of course it burns due to some friction in the atmosphere. Okay, due to some chemical maybe some chemical, because gas is there around it. Okay, so maybe something is happening that the fire is not extinguishing. Now comet means a heavenly light that leaves behind a trail of light as it moves. Now heading is coming. Heading is coming. So children, let's start reading and I will be explaining you the lesson with the new words. So now let's read. So children, now I am going to read the lesson. I will be explaining you word by word. So the comment part 1, and before you read, I'm going to read here children an appetizer. A new comet has appeared in the sky and is heading straight for the earth. So heading children, what is the meaning of heading? Coming, it is coming straight to the earth. A head-on collision. Okay, head-on collision means is striking from the front. That it is believed children that it will be striking the earth from the front. Okay, head-on collision, that means not from the back, but it will be hitting the earth from the front, which is nearly unavoidable. Which is nearly unavoidably, that means the situation cannot be avoided. Will mean the end of life on this planet. And very children, afterward we knew that when the comet is going to hit the earth, so there would be, I think mostly everybody will die on the earth. Very less people will be there on earth. So everybody was fearing, afraid, they were scared. Scientists and religious leaders react to the situation in two different ways. Now in this chapter, two categories of people are there. One are the scientists, one are the scientists. Children, the other are the, what type of people are they? The other are the, one is the scientist, and children, the other are the religious minded people. And they both were giving their view. They were giving their children view. So what will happen to the comet? And this was sure that the comet is going to hit the planet, right? Children, from the front, and many were thinking to die. Many life is going to be end now. Datta, an amateur scientist. Okay, amateur means one who does something as a hobby, not a professional. Amateur children, he was not a professional scientist, he was not an astronomer, he was not a scientist, he was simple ordinary man. Okay, so that's why this word amateur is there, and it is written, he can't stay away from the keen-eyed Divya Chakshu for long. And Divya Chakshu children, I told you in my previous video, what is a Divya Chakshu? Chakshu means eyes, and Divya is divine. So children, since now the moment he got the telescope, his wife was telling that every moment his life is passed with that telescope only, and she is comparing that telescope with the lady with whom her husband is maximum time with that telescope. So she is comparing the telescope with her lady, and she is telling that he is so busy with the telescope that he even is not able to take care of himself, though he is suffering from cold, but he is always with the telescope. He is not eating properly. Every time he is with the telescope. So she is, and it is his wife, the wife Indrani Devi. She has kept the name Divya Chakshu to that telescope. Divya helps him achieve his secret ambition. Actually, she believed that Divya means divine. Okay, she is thinking that it is due to that divine word. It is there with the telescope. That's why her husband is able to achieve his secret ambition. Datta, the wife, Indrani Devi, wishes he hadn't found the object of his search. Okay. So, children, what she is wishing, object means children thing. So, what his wife she used to wish why he has bought the children that telescope, why he has bought that telescope, and why that telescope children is having a uh, is consuming his lot of time, and he should not have bought that. Eh, Now, half awake she felt for the adjoining pillow, although she knew the answer that Tata was not there. No, I'm here, children. Okay, it was a moonless night in December, so children, it was cold. December is the cold season in India, and it was a moonless night, children. Uh, a burst of cool breeze from the window was enough to disturb the sleep of Indrani Devi. Now, children, the window was open, and suddenly a cool breeze came to her and which disturbed the sleep of Indrani Devi. Half awake, she felt for the adjoining pillow. Now, children, a pillow was there, and she put her hand on the pillow whether to see whether her husband is sleeping or not, and then she realized that he is not there. So, children, can you guess where he was? He was there with his telescope, maybe on the terrace, seeing everything with that telescope. So he has gone to hobnob with that wretched Divya. Hobnob is children, have friendly talk, spend time together. Now children, she started feeling very jealous with that telescope. So hobnob means children, have a friendly talk, spend time together. Now she is telling that he had a friendly talk, he spent time together. A burst of cool breeze from the window was enough to disturb the sleep of Indrani Devi. Half awake, she felt for the adjoining pillow, although she knew the answer that Tata was not there. Okay, so he has gone to hobnob with that wretched Divya. At least he might have bothered to close the door. Even as she muttered her complaints, Indrani Devi could not repress her smile. So, at least he might have bothered to close the door. Okay, so even as she muttered her complaint, Indrani Devi could not repress her smile. Now, she smiled. She is thinking that why that day by day she started hating that telescope, and it was like a lady for her who has stolen her husband from her, because maximum time of her husband is passed with that telescope, whom she has kept a name Divya Chakshu. She knew how utterly oblivious her husband was of the practical problem of living. Children, oblivious means forgetful. She knows, children, her husband is very forgetful related with the practical problem, like he don't take medicine in time. Okay, and what else, children, he never take medicines in time, and she knew that he is suffering from cold. Okay, so what she will do? Didn't his doctor tell him to take special precaution against the cold? Now, children, she is feeling bad also, because it is December night, and her husband is out on the terrace looking at the stars and the comet, and she is telling him, didn't the doctor is advising him not to stay for too long on the terrace? So I will be writing the meaning of few words. Hobnob. Spending time together. Okay, and then children, oblivious. Okay, this is the meaning of oblivious. Okay, so now you can see, student, but he would remember to put on his sweater, even if it let me turn my pages, children, even it was lying on his bedside chair. So she is telling he must have, I don't know whether he is putting his sweater or not, How could he, when Divya Chastu had put her spell on him? Now she is thinking that how can he put, because now children who is overpowering him, it was his telescope Divya Chakshu. She picked up the white woolen pullover, wrapped herself in a shawl, and made her way to the room. Now she knew her husband is already having a cold and he must be without sweater because of that Divya Chakshu, because she is overpowering him, she is controlling him. So she took the white pullover, white sweater. Okay, she put a white shawl, she wrapped a white shawl around her shoulder, and then she took the sweater to the terrace. So, to break up his tete-a-tete with Divya. Now, children, she did not want that her husband should talk with Divya. Already it was very late at night. So, tete-a-tete means private meeting, talk between two persons. Talk between two persons. Okay. So that was the children overall situation. Alright. When Datta acquired his telescope, he was so thrilled that he called it Divya Chakshu, divine eye. So children, even Mr. Datta called that telescope divine eye, Divya Chakshu. To Indrani Devi, the telescope was like a designing woman who had ensnared her husband. Okay, so that I told you that Divya Chakshu to Indrani Devi was like a children, like another lady who had ensured. Ensured means trapped. Ensured means trapped. I will write the meaning. So according to her, it was trapped. Okay, he was trapped by that Divya Chakshu. She had overpowered him. She had controlled him. Okay. Now, so she just called it Divya and the name stuck. To Datta Dada, telescope marked the fulfillment of the ambition. Now children, whatever his wife is thinking, Datta did not care. But to him, children, it was really very interesting for him to use the telescope. For children, he has bought it. It was his secret ambition. Whenever he used to think children to buy the telescope, he was not able to buy it. But now children, he is fulfilling his wish. So, to Datta Dada telescope marked the fulfillment of the ambition of a lifetime. It was his lifetime ambition. Okay, it was his lifetime ambition. His wish was fulfilled. As an amateur astronomer, he had longed for enough money to buy a good telescope. So, children, he wanted to buy a good telescope and for enough spare time in which to observe the heavens. He got them both when he retired with ample money. When he was retired, he had a lot of money, like fund and all this thing he was having from his office. Okay, so now children, he is not with that money. He had bought the telescope, which children he was having since long. Okay, but he was not able to buy it because of many reasons. And maybe because his salary was not very good, maybe children he was not having time to go to the market, but anyhow he has purchased a telescope, and now children his maximum time was passed with that telescope. And for enough spare time in which to observe the heaven, and children whenever he used to get time, he used to watch heavens. He got them both when he retired with ample money. Okay, so children, when he got retired, okay, he bought that telescope with an ample money. Ample means a lot of. Ample means children what? A lot of money. Now, the telescope was newly installed. Okay, so children, that telescope we have to install the telescope. We cannot put like that. So that telescope was duly installed. Install means set up. What is the meaning of install? The meaning of install is set up. So it was duly installed. And children, long were the dark nights that Dattara spent in stargazing. Now we all know children, in winter we are having night longer than the day. We have a short day and a long night. So children, Dattada, he spent a lot of time in watching the star during that long night. Okay, he spent his time in stargazing, and at least Indrani Devaji thought so. So children, with this, the time is very short now. It is almost completed. So with this, children, I stop my video here. Thank you and have a nice day. Now in my next video, I will be explaining the rest of the lesson. Thank you.